Hey guys, welcome back. So, as you can tell, I just got back from my gym, but I ordered another slime package, and so let's go ahead and open it. So I found these three things taped together, and I don't know what they are. I think like that's borax, that might be a slime, and that might be a slime. And these are the things I ordered. I feel like there's a little leakage. I think the borax may have leaked or something because there's some stuff on it. This is my slime. It says bubblegum splash. Guess that's the name of it. And then this one doesn't say anything, but I know the name of it because how I ordered it. Guacamole. Oh, guacamole something. Guacamole something. So, I'm gonna go ahead and untape these because they're like packaged very well. Just to see what they are. I know the person I buy from, Unicorn Slime, only use borax, so that can't be contact lens solution. Here's some rainbow tape. I guess it makes sense, Unicorn. So this is definitely borax. Let's see what this is. This is colored glue. So that's glue for my slime. And this, I think, is an extra slime. 2 containers. Nice. Actually, this is just kinetic sand if I want to make kinetic sand slime. So that's a plus. Thank you for the extras. That will definitely be enough borax to make a slime. So yeah. So now I'm gonna like review the slimes. I'm gonna chair over here, and I'm outside because I still don't want to get slimes away. But first, I'm gonna review this one. Okay, this one is sticky, but I understand that because the weather always changes, and if it's sticky or hard. Hard is cold weather and sticky is hot weather. So this is definitely very sticky, but I think that once I knead it, it comes better. And it has a really odd texture. I think there's some kinetic sand in it. It feels so good though. So I'm gonna open my borax, if I can with one hand. Oh crap, spilling. So I don't think I'm going to need a lot because this isn't super sticky, but it's still a little bit sticky, so. I really like this one though. It looks exactly like guacamole. If I put this in the fridge and my dad would be like, ooh, guacamole, and try to eat it with his chips. That'd be a good prank. So I think it's done. It only needed a few, but I'm not even putting it in all the way. I'm not doing this. Getting the edge wet of borax. It's actually not done, but I probably need like 3 more or 2 more. It's like super soft. It's weird. It's in this great container too, so yeah. This slime is amazing. I do recommend buying it. So, yeah. I want to get this all off me. Really good slime. And I'm going to leave the borax open just in case the bubblegum slime needs it. Because I feel like it will. I'm not saying it's a bad slime or anything. I just feel like since it's been like 3 days and it's been really hot. Oh crap, I forgot. There's a magnet on the bottom so it's sticking to this table. Ooh, really hard to open. Can't get it. Uh-oh. Got it. Ooh, very pretty slime. Looks very sticky though, so. Can't tell if you guys can see it. It was really pink and it has some big and small chunks of styrofoam in it. I'm gonna put some borax, not too much though. It's probably good. That might be a little bit too much though. Let's get it out. This container is a good container, and I like that I can like easily stick this to my locker because it's a magnet. It's really stretchy. Still very sticky though. So I'm gonna have to add some more borax. Whoopsies, that went everywhere. Definitely did a difference. But it is still a bit sticky, so I'm gonna put it back in this container. And then put the borax so it doesn't get everywhere. So I'm just gonna erase this over here just in case it does get everywhere. It's a super good slime, guys. It's a great consistency. Very like stretchy and foaming, and I love the slime. I think she put flour in it, so that's why it doesn't smell the best. It doesn't feel like flour in it at all. But flour smells exactly how the slime smells. It's a really, really good consistency. Just it's not getting less sticky. Well, it is just taking a while. Okay, guys, so this is it. It's a really, really good consistency. I love the slime. Honestly, guys, if you could describe my favorite slime, it'd probably be this slime or the guacamole slime. So the guacamole slime feels really different than any other slime that I usually have, or something like that. And I won the game today. So last week we had 2 games, and I won one of them. And we won the one. Okay, so last week we went against red and black. And those are the only teams we have, red, black, and white. And we won against red and lost against black because black was our second team. And we were like kind of tired. And we had red against this team. Well, this week we went against red. We won again. But they're a really good team too, though. So I'm going to play with the guacamole slime a little bit more because I didn't really play with this one that much. And I feel like it still needs some activator. Oh god, actually this is my very favorite slime. But how does she make this? Is it just kinetic sand or something? I need her recipe. And also I need more of the slime. So I might order some more. This slime is the best slime ever. It kind of feels like a cloud cream slime. Very stretchy and like, it doesn't feel like fluffy slime. It feels like it has some fluffy slime in it. But it feels different. I don't know what it feels like. It feels really good, guys. I would definitely go buy this from her, and it's like really good. This flag keeps on scaring me. I think it's like a person. This is the best slime I've ever had, including my slimes. I'll definitely go buy from her. So now I'm just going to do this little thing. So what I'm going to do is, drum roll please. It's not really that exciting. I'm going to be playing with this kinetic sand. Kinetic. Oh my god, that's always weird. There's 2 containers, so it's like really weird. Really. The lid falls. This kinetic sand is not like any other kinetic sand. It's like super soft and it doesn't get your hands easily.